the teacher, and this is how you create an open-ended question on the platform Wayground, the formerly Quizizz. So this is like the homepage. You're gonna choose this option called Create, and then you go to the first option called Assessment. You will be able to see three options. If you have the questions already, you can use this option, import worksheet questions, or you can just create from scratch. There are many options. You choose the open-ended one, and then you just type the question. For example, what did you do last weekend? Okay. The good thing is that you can use AI, artificial intelligence, to check the writing if you want to. Students can type their answers or just upload pictures if they want, if you want them. Or this one's like the basic one in which students can type. You set up the time, you save the question, and that's it. You publish it, you use a name, ended question, for example. With the any teacher, you set up the subject, you choose the subject, and you choose the grade. I'm gonna use university, and that's it. You publish. You can add as many questions as you want. Oh, I didn't choose the grade. Sorry. Publish, and that's it. This is how the question will be shown on the screen, and you can type your answers, and that's it. And whether you play it like live or assign, you can see students answers and stuff. Okay, so see you later, alligator. Point.